Well, today is an interesting day. We've driven 3 hours to come and fit Lone Rider's Moto Lights on our bikes before they go off to Morocco. Can you believe that? 3 hours from Henley-on-Thames all the way down to Worthing in the shittiest traffic just to come and fit these lights. So here we are. Here we found some sunshine. Richard's here with his bike. All the guys' bikes are here waiting to go in the next couple of days. Motor Lights didn't arrive in time for us to get them on. So we're now going to get them on and get the bikes reloaded and wait for the rest of the bikes to be reloaded, and this will go off to Spain. So that's today's mission, fit the Motor Lights. Can you believe it? 6-hour trip in round trip terms. This is Rob's lorry. Rob is a mile cruncher, and Rob's taking our bikes down to Spain. And the Morocco video that's coming is all about how to do Morocco for under 2 grand. Yes, how to do Morocco for under 2 grand. You're not going to believe it. Okay, so this is how to fit Moto Lights to GS 1300 and GSA. Sit around, hang on and watch. Okay, so first thing to do first is get your lights on. Figure out where you're going to put them and mount them with the 2 brackets. On the GSA it's really easy. That's the positioning of them, I think now. So that's really easy. Clamp the bracket on and then clamp the L-shaped bracket to the light, and then you are done on that process. That took about 15 minutes. We've come today without a 12mm spanner, and the spanners they give you are not fantastic, to be honest. So right now that's the position we're in. We've got a couple of loose wires here and here. That's 15 minutes. And now Richard's got sidetracked on his, and I'm going to now route the wires, which is going to be a tricky one, but I'll figure it out in a second and I'll show you the routing. Okay, running cables. So first cable on this side went up through there. Okay, and there is a hole that comes out on the other side here. Really easy feed through to bring it through here to join here or under here. I've not figured that bit out yet. Other side, exactly the same deal, exactly the same hole. As you can see, there it goes. Okay, cable tied down obviously, comes out here with an extension on it to bring it over for the Y splitter. Right, hit a snag guys. Turned on the system and wired it into the laptop. It needs an update, can you believe? And we do not have any internet here on this computer, so be aware that could be your issue, an issue. But I'm trying to figure it out right now. Right, hooked it up to the phone and it's doing an update, which is great, and it's on 5G, so good result. Hey Rich, we're getting there.
Going quick.
So we're about 25 minutes in now. They are right. This is 10 minutes later. Put the daytime running lights back on. Okay, they are cool as hell.
Are they white now?
They're white now. Put the intensity up.
100.
Okay. Look at these guys.
It's going to be flashing with this.
Yeah.
No, why not? Oh, try that now.
No, the right one's going, so you've got to change them round.
Ah.
So you can switch them. It's really easy to do. Oh mate, they are superb. They make the bike. They've improved its looks. Richard, they've improved its looks.
Yeah.
Excited now. All of that took about 35 minutes. I'm not kidding. We're just programming now, which is quite simple.
How do we swap them though? That's what.
There is a way of doing it. I'll figure out a set. So right now they're indicated separately. There's a 50-50 chance you're getting them around the wrong way, as Alex said on his video. But I tell you what, that was worth the trip. I'm so pleased. Could I have full beam, Rich, please? Directive beam? Don't mate. Flash? Is that horn beeping? Horn needs plugging in, mate. Horn needs plugging in. Super pleased about that. That is unbelievable. Right, you guys don't have to do it this way, but what I've done is I've managed to hide the wire splitter under here. This is just because we're in a bit of a rush. And I'm going to cable tie that up underneath that panel there. That's a joiner. And then what I've done is I've undone the two tank bolts, and I've raised this up by sticking a pry bar in there and just lifting the tank. And I've got this motor can cable through to the back. Because you can't come over the top, you've got to come underneath. So undo that bolt, and then lift your tank. Put a bar under there, lift your tank about 5 mil, hook this cable under there, which I've done. It's all loose now, and I've got a position under there to hide the wire splitter, and that should be fine. And that cable there sits lovely inside there. Well, it will do in a minute, and I've cable tied it all in place, and you won't see it. And same on the other side, really. Eat, sleep, repeat on the other side. I'm going to run that cable all the way up there. I might run into some trouble there though. We'll figure that one out in a minute. Not so straightforward. The connectors fall in the slight wrong areas. Could do being a bit longer for the GSA. It's a big old bike. How you getting on, Rich?
I'm having to remove the crash bar. This one is tighter. I'm waiting for it in.
So you've got one on that's taking you 10 minutes?
That one, the gap was big enough just there, but this.
So Richard's got his Touratech couple crash bars on, and he has got one on, and that's in a good position.
I need to slightly position the crash bar on this one.
So we're still cracking on. So we've actually got 3 lights on 2 bikes so far, and we've been here an hour. Well, all in all, 2 bikes, an hour and a half to an hour and 45. So the bikes are loaded again. So we've had a trip out today purely to fit the Lone Rider Moto Lights. Bikes are all in the lorry, as you can see. Obviously they won't stay like that. They'll be packed away, secured and anchored, and we are ready to go. All done, Rich? Pretty straightforward, isn't it? All good. And he's got another deck up there for more bikes, which I think he's going to fill. So there we go. You want to shift your bike to Spain? Give Rob a call.